Hey everyone, my name is Matthew Lee, and I'm a PGY5 at the Fox Chase Temple Urologic Institute in Philadelphia. Today, I want to share one of the easiest ways to make the most out of your first AUA annual meeting, and that's by downloading the AUA 2026 mobile app. Before you even arrive, I highly recommend downloading the app and taking a few minutes to explore it. The meeting is huge, with multiple sessions happening at the same time, and it can feel overwhelming at times if you don't have a plan. The app gives you a full, up-to-date schedule of everything going on, from lectures and panels to hands-on courses and networking events. One of the most helpful features is the ability to create your own personalized schedule. You can bookmark sessions you're interested in so you don't miss out on anything that's important to you. Another really useful feature is the ability to connect with other attendees. Whether it's co-residents, fellows, or faculty, the app makes it easier to network and stay organized throughout the entire meeting. Overall, think of the app as your roadmap for the entire conference. Download it early, build your schedule ahead of time, and you'll feel much more prepared when you get on site. Hope to see everyone at AUA 2026.